15 easiest way to make money online in just 24 hours.
Do you need money urgently? These 15 ideas can help you start earning within the first 24 hours. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Startup with Sisters, and this is a very serious video because we're showing you 15 ideas, 15 ways to make money online in just
24 hours. Yes, before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Very important.
And without further ado, let's get into it.
This is the first website called Red Sea, where beautiful mysteries books are made. Out of the 15 side hustles, you can assemble your teams of professionals. You can see how the website is created and how everything is tailored to your needs, tailored to if you want to try out this side hustle as well. And there are various ideas you can get from this website in the following websites we'll be showing you today. So now you can make your life much more easier with this side hustle. You can see the tools, you can see the books made with Red Sea, and you can sell these books on this website. And it's a creative of authors, over 150 authors, so you can see other authors as well, the books. And yeah, you just get started, you publish a book, you log in, check out the tools, you check out every single thing, and yeah, you just get started with it. So make sure you comment down below if you're having any issues on how to get started with this website. And yes, also we're moving on to the next website. Now next website is called Redbubble. You can see it's very nice website, you know, limited deals on your favorite apparel, and you can see the different things you can design, you can shop, you can be a seller as well on this site, and you can sell prizes and featured products. You can be an affiliate marketer, you can do so many things. You can sell your art. All you have to do now is just sign up, then you log in daily, and designs, you see the different designs and the different art, phone cases, bags, t-shirts, print on demand, and it's just like Red Sea. So now let's move to the next website called Swagbucks. You save money and you make money on this app. You get paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. You get your cash app back, entertainment that pays, you get the testimonials, and you make sure you consistently work on this website that has these 15 ideas so you can make money online, and so much more that we'll be doing. The different step-by-step videos, the partnerships that are working with the website. And yes, you just get started to consistently be a remote worker. And yeah, we'll see it. Make sure you check it out and comment down below. Let's find out if you've checked it out.
Now you've watched each and every single idea of this making money business, and now you know how to make money online.
Like, you've gotten like inspo into these 15 business ideas. All you have to do is, like, you are a person and you are using your skill in these roles, like in this website, in these companies. Like, you are just using your skill.
Now make sure you comment down below. Let's help you out in each and every single step that you need.
Skill can be acquired.
Assistance in, yes.
So acquire that skill.
Yes, it's just a little answering the questions. It's just a little showing up that it requires you to make money online.
Very easy, very simple, and very straightforward. That will help you. So make sure you subscribe for more breaking down details, because we're going to be following more and more steps to get you there, definitely.
Yes, and with that, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.